Hi students, this is Viswanath, Chemistry faculty for NEET and IIT exams. In last class we completed Lindlar's catalyst. Now see the next one. Reduction with H2 in presence of palladium and charcoal. Carbon means here in the form of charcoal we can use. So this combination of reducing agent can reduce alkenes to alkanes. Double bonds are reduced to single bond with hydrogen and palladium. In presence of palladium and charcoal, nitro groups or NO2 nitro compounds are reduced to amines or NH2, and cyanides or nitriles, alkyl nitriles reduced to amines or CH2, NH2 with this reducing agent H2 in presence of palladium and charcoal, and azides or N3. This is azide general formula. This azide is treated with hydrogen in presence of palladium and carbon. Then we can get amines or NH2 and H2N2 gas is released. Now check the examples for this. For example, if I take CH3, CH2, CH double bond CH2, but1ene. This but1ene is treated with hydrogen in presence of palladium and charcoal. Then we can get corresponding alkane, that is CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. So this is butane. So in this way, alkenes are changed to alkanes with this reagent, and then take nitro compounds CH3, CH2, NO2, ethyl nitrate or nitroethane. This compound is treated with hydrogen in presence of palladium and carbon. Then it is reduced to CH3, CH2, NH2 plus H2O. Okay, so in this way amines are formed. Ethanamine, and next aromatic nitro compounds. If we take nitrobenzene is treated with hydrogen in presence of palladium and carbon. Then we can get corresponding aromatic amines. Here we can get aniline. This is nitrobenzene. Next, take cyanides, CH3, CN methyl cyanide treated with this reagent. Then we can get corresponding amines CH3, CH2, NH2, ethanamine, and if we take aromatic compounds, then we can get corresponding amines, that is aniline. In this case we can get aniline. Okay, next azides, CH3N3 methyl azide. This is methyl azide. This compound is treated with hydrogen in presence of palladium and carbon. then we can get corresponding amines CH3 NH2 plus N2. Okay, so this reagent can reduce alkynes to alkanes. It reduces alkynes to alkanes, but compared to Lindlar's catalyst and with this reagent, difference is in this reagent it can use 2 equivalent of H2, whereas in Lindlar's catalyst we can use 1 equivalent of hydrogen gas. Okay, now take the example compound having triple bond CH3 CH2 C triple bond C CH3. This compound is treated with hydrogen in presence of palladium and carbon. Then we can get alkane, that is this one CH3 CH2 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 CH3. Same thing we can write bond and line representation. See here. This one 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. Now this product we can write in the same manner bond and line representation. 2 hydrogens in cis position, here also 2 hydrogens. That means for these two, for this carbon 2 hydrogens, for this carbon 2 hydrogens. So in this way we can represent bond and line representation. So hydrogen in presence of palladium and carbon can reduce these type of functional groups into other compounds, and another one, it can reduce benzyl alcohol to toluene. Benzyl alcohol to toluene. Formula is benzyl alcohol, this one C6H5 CH2OH. Change it to toluene means this one CH3 H2, and another one is this one C6H5 CH2 NO2. What is the name of this compound? 1-nitro 1-phenyl methane. Methane means CH4. In that, one hydrogen is replaced by NO2, another one is replaced by C6H5. So its name is 1-nitro 1-phenyl methane. This compound is treated with H2, reduced with H2 in presence of palladium and charcoal. Then we can get see this CH2 NH2. Okay, 1-phenyl methanamine. 1-phenyl methanamine, IUPAC name for this. Okay, these reactions takes place. These reactions take place when benzyl group is attached to oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur atoms, then only these two reductions takes place. Okay, these reactions, this and this type of reactions take place when benzyl group C6H5NH2, this is benzyl group, is attached to either oxygen or nitrogen or sulfur atoms. Otherwise this type of reduction cannot take place. Okay students.